Just sitting here on the deck, drinking some yummy hibiscus tea, one of nature's very best hydrators. Very good for your blood pressure and blood sugar. And eating some delicious lemon dream cookies. They're so good. They're so light. They're so fluffy. They're amazing and perfect on a summer day. I know. How can I teach y'all how to make them? Let's begin. Here is one of the things we eat. It's better than Taco Bell's.
Looks pretty good.
Yummy, yummy food. Let's begin. Okay, so when it's springtime and it starts warming up, I still like to bake, but you kind of want like lighter things. And so these fluffy lemon cookies fit the bill. So you're gonna start with, I doubled the recipe, 1 cup of a real fine oat flour. Again, I don't buy it, I just put it in my food processor and let her whip. And then this is 2 cups of an almond flour. And then we have 4 tablespoons of tapioca starch. It's also called tapioca flour. Different companies call it different things. It's the same thing. Tapioca powder is another one of them. This is our baking powder and our salt. It is a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And then this, you can use any sugar you want. You can use a coconut sugar. This is a pure cane sugar. I probably wouldn't use a date sugar because it will change the color of the cookies. They'll look like chocolate cookies but taste like lemons, and that might be weird. I don't know, it might be good. But anyways, they won't taste like chocolate. So this is your sugar, and this is 4 tablespoons of whatever sugar. And then you're just gonna whisk this really good to get all the lumps out. And a lot of it is because that almond flour, it does tend to want to clump because of the moisture in it. First time I made these, I did not use my stand mixer, and I regret it because they get thick. So after everything's really good and incorporated, you can probably sift it too. It's probably an easier way than whisking it, huh? So then, set that aside for a second. You don't have to use a stand mixer because, again, the first time I made it, I did not use my stand mixer, and let's just say you can skip arm day that day. So now you're going to add your dry to your bowl. Just trying to think if I wanted to take the bowl off and the mixer off, but I don't. And then to that, you're going to add the zest of 2 lemons. You don't have to put it in a little bowl like I did. You can just zest it right over your mixing bowl. Unless you're making a video. And then you're going to add 4 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of a lemon. That's actually about 2 lemons. Just shy of 2 lemons. And this is 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then this is our pure maple syrup, and it is 1/2 cup. That's it, y'all. How easy is that? Then you just mix it up really good, about a minute or 2. You're gonna let it mix a while, and it's gonna get like thick and sticky. I know that sounds weird, but so after about 1 to 2 minutes, your dough is going to be thicker and sticky. And here is the key part. You want to put the whole bowl, everything in the fridge, and let it chill at least an hour. So, clean up your mess in your kitchen or whatever. Let it sit, and that's what helps make them like really fluffy and like little clouds of lemon cookies. So we're gonna put this yummy, yummy, yumminess in the fridge, set a timer for an hour, and see y'all soon. Okay, so after it's been in there an hour, you're gonna preheat your oven to 350 and just use a cookie scoop and scoop out your cookies, of course, onto a silicone baking mat or a wax paper if you don't have one. You should, fingers crossed, get about 24 cookies, depending on the size of your cookie scoop. So we're just gonna scoop these out, and then we're gonna bake them about 10 to 12 minutes. And then when they're done baking, you do let them sit on the cookie sheet for like 10 minutes before you eat it, and then you just let them cool completely. So we will see y'all in about 20 minutes. So after about 10 to 12 minutes, let them sit on the cookie sheet for 10 minutes, and then let them cool completely on a wire rack, and you have the most yummy, delicious lemon cloud pillow cookies on the planet. They are very, very good. They're really good the next day. After that, they're still pretty good, but they do kind of start to crumble a little bit. And they do turn more yellow over time, which is also kind of interesting. But anyways, be sure y'all to like and subscribe and share and try the recipes, and just be blessed by all the wonderful food God has given us to eat. Bye y'all.